making avocado brunch. There's a few things you need for this dish, so let's get started. Okay, to start things off, we're going to need a couple of eggs, a ciabatta or sourdough, any type of artisan bread. We're going to need some sea salt, pepper, lime, some coriander. We've got 2 tomatoes here, obviously an avocado, some pepper and some olive oil.
Nice chunky sizes, Stan, yeah?
Yeah.
Wicked.
So now the bread's all cut up, we're going to get the olive oil and just put a few gloves into the pan.
To see how to make the most banging ciabatta bread toasts, check out our first banging brunch video in the link below.
So now we've got the oil in the pan, we're going to season this bread. So let's start off with some salt. And get some pepper on there. Okay, so now I'm going to season the pan. So when the bread hits the pan, it will be seasoned all around. So get that salt in there. And that pepper too. Cool. Now let's put the bread in. Cool. Okay, so now I'm shaking the pan about so that bread really absorbs the oil and gets that flavour. So the bread's toasting away nicely. Whilst that's happening, we're gonna take the tomatoes and chop these up.
You can see Stanley dicing up the tomatoes into rough chunks. Don't worry about taking those skins off or the seeds in between. We're not making tomato concasse, just good old ripe, fresh and juicy tomato cubes.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Nice golden colour, that's what you want. Nice. Now it's time for the chilli. Be careful guys, because these can be proper spicy. So, yeah. So we're going to cut it right down the middle. And then we're going to cut right through there. Right there. And then we're going to just scrape all of those seeds out. Make sure there's none in there, because they're the proper spicy bit. Now the seeds are out, let's dice these up as best as we can. To make it as fine as I can. Alright, now we're going to pop this to the side. Okay, so next we've got the avocado. So let's grab this. I'm going to do what my dad showed me. So we go straight through here, all the way around. Nice and soft, which is easy. All the way around. Twist that. Open. Straight through there. Twist and out. Easy as that. Okay, so I've got a bowl ready and we're going to spoon out the avocado into the bowl. Don't worry about it being perfect because you're just going to smash it up anyways. So straight around the avocado. See? Oh my days. It's really slippy. So around here into the bowl.
Brilliant.
See, I've got a little bit left. So that's just boom, all gone. Same with the other one. I'm gonna smash up this avocado. Smash! Okay, right, now we've got this all done, we're gonna pour in these tomatoes and chilies. So straight like that. And then get the chili. Okay, we're gonna take this coriander and roughly chop it up. Nice. This is also going in the bowl. So now that's all in, I'm going to season it with some salt and pepper. Okay, now Dad, can you pass me that olive oil quick? I need to put some big gloves in here, 5 or 6. Massive. Okay, so now I'm going to grab the lime and we're going to cut it in half from top to bottom, like that. And we're going to squeeze half in here. And we're going to use the other half to make wedges afterwards, so we can leave that on the side. Okay, so now all of this is in. We're just going to give it a good mix 5 or 6 times, but make sure it's not too mushy. Just make sure everything's mixed in together. Alright, now this avocado mix is done and the ciabatta toast is done. Now it's time to do the eggs. While we're waiting for that water to heat up, we're just gonna cut these limes into wedges. There we go. So the water's all ready. We talked about that in the last video. So we've got 2 pre-cracked eggs here. We're just gonna dunk them in one by one. So like this, straight in, and then the other one, straight in like that. And now we've got to wait for 5 minutes. All right, guys, take a look at this. It's like 2 ghosts bobbling around in the little water. Oh. There's one, and the other one's down there somewhere. It's time to get the eggs out. I'm just gonna grab one on one. One there. Here's the other. Right there. Just gonna let those sit for a sec. Okay, so now it's time to plate up. So we're just gonna grab the toast. Put 2 on here, 2 on here. Now we're gonna grab the mixture that we made. It would stay still. Put these on the plate, it's the final thing to do. Right in the middle there. And this one here. Right in the middle there. Spoon is hot. And we're going to finish this off with some pepper on each one. Actually, one more thing. Just going to sprinkle some of this over.
A little bit of extra coriander.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And now, boom! My dish, Dad. What do you think?
Looks awesome. Look at that. That is what I call a banging brunch. Love that, Stan.
Yes, sir.
Squeeze the lime over, and then let's dig in.
Yeah.
Oh, well done. Well done. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Good?